Hello, welcome to Hotel Hero. This is my gold and silver markets update for Tuesday, October 21st, 2025. And I got my red pen because gold and silver are in the red today. So let's talk about it. So I got up early, probably 5 a.m. this morning, and I checked the futures charts for gold and silver. And sure enough, the banks were back at it, slamming down the price. From 2:30 a.m. to 4 a.m., basically an hour and a half, they initially dropped 55,000 contracts, and that was the beginning. They were adding contracts throughout the day, and at 8 p.m., the futures price was actually 51.40. They were able to get it down later this afternoon, down to 47.96, a difference of $3 and change. It's a huge move. By the end of the day, they had dropped 154,000 contracts, or 770 million ounces of silver was traded. And once again, same as the annual global production output. So they succeeded there. December gold was the exact same thing, same time frame, 2:30 to 4 a.m. They initially dropped 155,000 contracts. The price started at 43.86 or 4,386, and during the day they totaled about 518,000 contracts, which is equivalent to 51,800,000 ounces, which is huge. They actually got the price down to 41.35, a difference of $251. What's interesting, that for the day, gold was down 5.2%. It's interesting, silver was down 6.66. Interesting. Good versus evil. So am I concerned? No. They're still in panic mode, and they still have hundreds of millions of ounces they have to try to get rid of or roll over. So for those of you that are new to gold and silver, specifically silver, I would say keep stacking, even though I'm not a financial advisor. It's a gift. Anytime the banks slam the price down of gold and silver, it's a buying opportunity, because this is like the final battle, and God wins the war. And so we'll keep an eye on it. Like I said, this is out of desperation, has nothing to do. Majority of the speculators are probably out because they don't want to play anymore. And lastly, there's a lot of buzz on the social media in regards to investors are realizing that specifically the gold and silver market's rigged, and they're seeing it by the desperation and the moves that they make, in the wee hours when there's no actual buyers. So if it turns out something happens at the London Bullion Market Association and or the COMEX, they're going to start looking into other asset classes to see if there's any rigging there. So God's exposing all this. I hope you found this helpful, and God bless you today.